Good morning, Bennett family of companies. My name is Johnathan Kreutzer, and I'm a combat veteran from Operation Enduring Freedom, Operation Iraqi Freedom. Today, we honor my fallen comrades by laying the wreaths at Andersonville National Cemetery. As a combat vet and a military, we look at each other as brothers, sisters, comrades in arms. These are my brothers and sisters that we are honoring today. And what a great honor that Bennett allows and gives me the privilege to honor them. Bennett honors me by honoring my fallen comrades. 2 years ago, I did this as a company driver. Started this out with our first annual Wreaths Across America rally and convoy. Today, 2 years later, I'm an owner-operator with Bennett. That was a mission complete for me. The fact that Bennett has grown so much and given me the privilege to grow with them is a great honor. As a young man, I lost my father. Drove trucks for 36 years, and he died when I was at the age of 16 years old. My mother was murdered while I was in combat operations in Iraq. So Bennett has become my family. Losing my family, Bennett has taken me in. Bennett is my family now, accepted me, and has given me great honor to be a part of the Bennett family of companies. In the military, we do things as missions. My mission was to go up to Columbia Falls, Maine, and to grab the wreaths for the Wreaths Across America. On my way up, lost the fuel tank. On my way back, I lost the turbo, but I still made it back to complete this mission. So today, I'm honored to say my mission is complete. Thanks to Bennett and Wreaths Across America, Andersonville National Cemetery, I get to honor the fallen soldiers that have given the ultimate sacrifice for our country.